Hello guys, welcome to Daily Hacks channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can use this massager. You have seen so many massages in your life, but this one is completely different one. It's come a really nice one, with really nice shape, and it has different menus. So it's the same like the aeroplane pillow which you use for your neck, but it has some of the different functions in it. So I'm just going to go through with some of the features of it. As onto the side you can see there is three buttons. On the right side there is a power on button, and the middle one is for the mode changing, and the left one is for the lighting in it. If I keep press and hold the right button, so you will see the massager will start working and it will rotate to the right clockwise direction. And if I press the M button, you will see it will start to the anti-clockwise like this. So this is a completely different one. So on to the left one, as I told you, this is the light for it, and if I press and hold it, you will see the lights come on and turned off. So it's for the light especially, and keep on holding it, the power button, it will turn it off. It has a different adjustment on it. You can actually adjust it like in this one, and you can lose it and tight it as per your neck. On the side they have given you the charging lead, as because it has a battery in it, which is very comfortable. You don't feel it has battery in it, only you will feel the massager. This is the correct way you have to put into your neck. Your neck will be here, and you can use it for your neck massage if you have ever pain. This is very good physio for your neck only, and you can travel with it. This is easy to use as well. You only have to charge it, and it can last for 2 to 3 days easily. And on the side you will see it's a like small C type cable. You can connect it with the charger, and it has hook as well, which you can hook onto the wall or anywhere into the plane, bus or train. You can use anywhere. Hope you like it, and you can easily wash it as well. So if this video help you in any way of matter, you can like and subscribe my channel Daily Hacks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.